Hello, children. I think you must have learnt about numbers from 1 to 100 last year. Am I right? Now that we have to learn about more numbers, that is from 101 to 1000. I am just going to show you how to get the next number when a number is already given. When we add 1 to a number, you get the next number. For example, 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. It goes on like this. Only when you practice writing numbers daily, you will write neatly and properly. Now we have to start with 100 plus 1 equals 101. 101 plus 1, we get 102. First of all, I want you children to keep a math notebook for the next class. You can have last year's notebook. If you do not have one, please ask your parents to get a plain notebook and draw columns like how I'm showing you.
Numbers till 999. We know counting of numbers from 1 to 99. Let us count the number of flowers in these vases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If we keep counting like this, we get 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. We can place the flower vases in a place value chart. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. Can you guess the number that comes after 99? This flower vase contains 9 flowers and this flower vase also contains 9 flowers. If we put one more flower in this vase, then there will be 10 flowers in all. This group of 10 flowers can be replaced by one flower in this vase. Now, this vase contains 10 flowers which can further be replaced by one flower in a new vase. This is a new place which is called as the hundreds place. Thus, we get 100 flowers. 100 is 100. Let us count ahead. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Keep counting like this. We get 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Counting in the similar manner, we get 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998 and 999. Can you guess the number that comes after 999? Let us bring back flower vases. The flower vase in ones place contains 9 flowers, and the tens flower vase also contains 9 flowers. If we put one more flower in one's vase, then there will be 10 flowers in all. This group of 10 flowers can be replaced by one flower in tens vase. Now, this tens vase contains 10 flowers. This group of 10 flowers can be replaced by one flower in a new vase. This is a new place, which is called as the thousands place. Thus, we get 1000 flowers. 1, 0, 0, 0 is 1000. Type the numbers in a sequence in this box. Type the numbers in a sequence in this box. Type the numbers in a sequence in this box.